Ash Nightingale here from Nightingale Guitars, and today I have an announcement for you because I'm just about to start this build here, and there's a bit of a story behind this build which I would like to share with you. First of all, this is a second build for a very lovely client of mine in the States called Chris. You know who you are, Chris, and we have built a relationship over the last couple of years working together, and Chris has kindly agreed to let me take this guitar to Quebec in Canada in the spring to Michel Pellerin's spray finishing course. So I'm going to be taking this guitar, finishing it over there, and then whilst I'm over there dropping down to Texas to actually hand deliver this guitar in person to Chris. So as you can see, it's just a pile of wood across the bench at the moment, but what I'd like to do is document this process step by step and take you guys with me from here all the way through to the course in Canada and to delivering the guitar in person to Chris in Texas. So what guitar are we making? We are making a N360F. N360F means Nightingale, 360mm lower bout, F for Florentine. It's in Bog Oak, moon spruce with a Wenge neck. It's a 12 fret neck to body, short scale guitar. So it's quite a small, compact, very comfortable guitar. It's also going to have a small arm bevel. And we've got a very beautiful set of Bog Oak here. I was fortunate enough to snag this set a couple of years ago, and it's been sitting on the shelf waiting for the ideal project, which this happens to be. This set is only big enough for a small body guitar, so it just lends itself perfectly to this build. We've got a 4A moon spruce top, very beautiful set from Switzerland, just arrived recently, and just a lovely straight grained piece of spruce. Got a nice straight grained piece of Wenge for the neck as well. So there's a couple of other significant things about this guitar. There's two reasons that Chris is ordering this guitar. First of all, it's a retirement present for him, and second of all, we want to build this guitar in memory to Chris's grandmother, and that's what we're using this blue colour here for, is to represent Chris's grandmother. So ordinarily I would use this satinwood veneer to wrap around all of the inlays and for all the detailing around the guitar, but on this build we're going to use this light blue colour, so that will be the perfecting lines and all of the detailing around all of the inlays on the guitar. And I've also got this interesting piece of stabilised maple bow. I'm going to take a few slices off this and use that for some inlay throughout the guitar as well. So other components, we've got some ebony for binding. Here I've got, these are actually Spanish cedar classical neck blanks, which I use for blocks and linings inside the guitar, so I'll cut that up and turn that into all the internal components. I've got some spruce billets here as well. This is from the same company as the spruce tops come from in Switzerland. Really nice, tight grained, beautiful spruce for all the internal bracing of the guitar as well. Forgot to mention, I had a Bog Oak bass guitar fretboard blank, which was big enough to use for a guitar fretboard, but also got headstock veneer out of it as well. So we've got all the basic components here for the guitar, and I look forward to showing you more of this build over the next few months. Stay tuned and look out for video posts, picture posts and stories coming up soon.